Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a Wisp Quote text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert a Wisp Quote text box. Go to the Insert menu. Then we can see here may no available this option. Now we want to insert this. Go to the Microsoft Word document and create a blank page. Then go to Insert menu. Click text box drop down menu. Then go some down and find the Wisp Quote text box, and we can see here the Wisp Quote text box. Then we insert it. Then press Ctrl A on our keyboard to select this. Then press Ctrl C to copy. Then go back the Publisher and paste on this page. Press Ctrl V on our keyboard. Now we can see we insert the Wisp Quote text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.